first time putting in a new CPU, they did not tell me getting the cooler was this hard. I don't even think I did it right. But anyways, now I got one of my mom's I had to get it, the cooler freaking out with a pair of pliers. So now I'm gonna take my mom's makeup wipe and get all the old thermal paste off. You you lift that back. Okay, makes sense. Okay. There we go. Right, one more time. I watch a quick YouTube short, put the socket down, and okay, I feel the pressure. We just gotta do this fast, I guess. Oh, whoa, that is no.